So did you really think I'm going to leave you that way? This is part 2 to the video. So we already have 10.5 by 2.5. So 10.5 going lengthwise, and then we have width. So we're going to take the other measurements. And this is, I don't like this, but okay. So we're going to take the longest angle. This is about almost 9. Almost 9. So we're going to make this 9 3/4. Now I did off angle this, but that's okay. So I'm going to see which side is, this side is almost 1 3/4, while this side is only almost 1. We're going to take the biggest piece, the biggest width. We're going to tax on 1/2 inch on each side. So I'm going to say 2.5. Okay. The same goes for this piece. This is 8 3/4. 8 1/4. I'm going to make this 9. Can I add on a little half? 9.5 again. This is 9.5. And this is, we're going to add the 1/2 inch on each side. So we're going to say 2.5 inches. This is 8. And this is 5, but we're going to give it an even piece. So we're going to do 8.5 inches. I put the arrows side by side so I can say the longest part, and up and down is the width. So this is length and this is height. So this height is going to be, again, this is 2.5. Our little triangular piece is, I'm going to say it's 2.5 again. And by the longest part, this is 4.5, so we're going to say 5 inches around. Okay, and we still have this piece back here. This is 9. We're going to make this 10 across. And for heights, we're going to go with 2 3/4. And our last triangle, we're going to do 3 inches in height. And in length, we're going to do 5.5. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to have these pieces cut so that we can sew this up. Shall we? I'll be right back. don't know what I was thinking about, but this is the ending results of part 2 of day 29, the 30-day sewing challenge. So I hope you like this. I tried my best. So nervous. I got this. You got this. We got this. So stay tuned for tomorrow, which is the last day of the 30-day sewing challenge.